The world around us is changing constantly, and the pace of change is accelerating. We are on the brink of a great tectonic design shift, driven by the digital revolution. We have embraced social design to shape our spaces to be more social, connected, convenient, and engaging. In these unprecedented times, situation demands a coordinated response. All this has created one vital focus area for us, where we concentrate our creative thinking, creating immersive member experiences.
Today, the focus is technology for people. How advanced technologies can be used to create experiences for members that are deeply personalized and delightful. To do just that, we bring you the MEX, our integrated technology platform. With MEX app, we aim to redefine your experience by bringing in smart and engaging features into one unified platform to give you coherent workspaces like never before. Imagine from the time you enter the facility till you exit, everything you need is available at your fingertips.
We believe engaging our members is the key to a productive, happy, and vibrant community. If you're someone who likes sharing your ideas, collaborating with like-minded people, or just enjoying a day out with your friends and family, we've carefully curated our year-round events program where we host diverse celebrations. From sports, education symposiums, art and culture, to music and innovation. Isn't it great to have an immersive work environment? At the end of the day, it's all about connections, maintaining a strong sense of community that exists both within the campus and in wider environment.
Connections are established not just with people but spaces. Spaces that define a paradigm shift. Presenting the third space. Space that bridges work and play. The Bay offers retail and pop-up stores to bespoke gourmet journeys and curated wellness hubs that define a wealth of experiences to enrich the mind, body and soul. These cultural expressions set a high standard for a modern-day lifestyle. We shape a broader ecosystem of space to elevate productivity and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Here, art provides vital sources of inspiration for creativity. Starting with this idea, we have curated Art Walk, a pioneering world-class gallery and multi-purpose art center. Our immersive planning models create an ecosystem where the lines blur between work, life, learn and play.
Good food, good people, good times. All this goes hand in hand. We bring you a hub of stimulating experiences with a host of flavors and delectable dishes, a space for bespoke culinary journeys with local and global cuisines. Everything from your morning coffee to your late night dining, happy hours and the weekend brunch will be available at the kitchens, the marketplace and the street at the Bay. As the COVID-19 situation continues to develop, specific measures for hygiene and sanitization have been directed by our response team to help reduce the risk of the spreading pandemic. Our online food ordering platform on the MEX app enables our members to cut the queues, bringing convenience and personalization. With so much on offer in the food and beverage, what else can you ask for? Perhaps the next course.
We at RMZ want to offer our members an experience beyond the usual. The Skyview and EcoWorld 30 defines what future-proofing design means in every sense. This includes a focus on active design. One of the distinctive features across our projects are our social lobbies. Lobbies designed as spaces that function as lounges that offer a variety of curated experiences. So if you're someone who loves to shop, or enjoys a bustling afternoon at our curated fine dines, or even enjoy an inspiring walk among the larger-than-life sculptures, you're at the right place. Our campuses are much more than workspaces. It's about bridging work and life.
Experience is also about the environment. An environment that brings to life a lot more than you can expect. We believe in continually updating and upgrading our spaces, making it smarter, more engaging, and more human. Through our most ambitious social design projects, The Loft and Nexity, we have changed the sense of experience from just another workspace to something more aspirational and desirable. The Loft offers a new slate of upscale retail brands, curated F&B to studios for engaging events. We cater to people's growing desire for moments of escape. With these spaces, the energy within feels activated, service-oriented, redefining the very notion of workplace experiences.
Workplace design has undergone radical transformations. At RMZ, we aim to be a platform that fosters creativity in all its forms. Connected with technology, our spaces and members promote a culture of collaboration, inclusion, meaningful conversations, and interactions leading to shared member experience. In the blur of change, we shape our future.
We aim to build communities. We
Creating
The future of space.